Nabawasan yung age ko ng mga 15 years. Bagong-bagong Osmo. Pabagets tayo ng pabagets. Oh, anong meron? Tutuwa na ako ah. Calm down, baby. Hi guys! So currently in EDSA. Bigla akong isipang mag-EDSA instead of Skyway. Bakit? So tinignan ko yung ways kung mag-Skyway ako, darating ako sa events place by 6 o'clock eksakto. Pero magbabayad ako ng fee. Siyempre mahal ang Skyway, di ba? And then kung mag-EDSA ako, darating ako ng 6:05, wala akong babayaran. So, doon ako sa wala akong babayaran. Kasi 6:30 pa naman yung event. So, either way, hindi ako malilate. Diba? Aside from that, yung Skyway is 4 kilometers farther as compared to EDSA. So, makakatipid pa ako ng gas. Diba? 4 kilometers din yun. Hindi ako laging Skyway kasi syempre hindi naman mura yung Skyway. Diba? Kung hindi kailangan, kung wala kang hinahabol na oras, ganyan. So, okay lang mag-EDSA. And besides, sanay na sanay ako guys mag-EDSA. Nung araw, nung wala pa yung MRT na yan, at ginagawa pa yan noon, nagtatrabaho na ako sa Makati. Imagine niyo no, ang tagal ginawa niyan. Araw-araw, pumapasok ako, talagang pinaglalaban ko yung traffic. So, kahit na natatraffic ka sa EDSA, umaandar naman siya. I mean, gumagalaw siya. At saka malawak yung kalye, di ba? Plus libre. Gets ko naman. Yung mga taga-South, particularly, no, parang ang take nila, less traffic sa South, mas mabilis makauwi, makapunta, kasi mas maluwag. Minsan, probably hindi naman all the time kasi nagta-traffic din naman doon kahit na meron silang Skyway. Sa akin is, yes, mapapabilis ka nga, pero nagbabayad ka. So, it's just a matter of choosing between, you know, paying for the time and spending the time. Ayan na naman si Mami Heidi, ang dami na namang kwento. So, currently, the time is 5:40. ETA ko is 6:05. Malapit na. And even it's traffic, it's fine. I don't mind. Pero alam niyo guys, gutom ako. As in, nagugutom ako. Sumakit ang tiyan ko kahapon ng morning after breakfast. Parang out of nowhere, ang kinain kong breakfast, nagtimpla lang ako ng Milo, tapos nilagyan ko ng gatas na fresh milk, tapos gumawa ako ng cheese quesadilla. Tapos ang pagkakain ko, in just 15 minutes, parang umikot na yung tiyan ko. Parang may flu-like, ganyan. Hindi ko ma-explain. Tapos hanggang kaninang morning, medyo umiikot-ikot pa din yung tiyan ko. Pinainom ako ni Mama ng Imodium at saka paracetamol. So, ayun. Tapos kanina, paracetamol na lang. Kasi parang paggising ko, mabigat yung katawan ko. Parang masasakit yung aking kasukasuan. Anyways, pa-sunset na po. At ang ganda ng sunset. Hindi siya masyadong orange. Medyo yellow siya, tapos may blue. The event is 6:30 and this is BPI Intimate Dinner. Sana po makakain ako, pero natatakot akong kumain kasi baka mag-poops ako bigla. Parang hindi pa stable yung tiyan ko. Hindi rin ako nag-lunch pa. Nag-breakfast ako, nagpaluto ako kay Mama ng arroz caldo. Kasi parang gusto ng tiyan ko ng mainit. Okay guys, see you later. Okay, so here na po sa parking. Ako po ay magsasapatos lang. Ang dami ko nakikitang mga taga BPI, as in naka-uniform sila. Ano bang meron? Bakit merong intimate dinner? Bakit meron silang ilo-launch? Okay guys, so hindi ko nadadalhin tong aking camera. I will leave it here. Hindi ko alam kung makaka-vlog ako. More so bangko, diba? Baka bawal or secret. Anyway, see you later. Hi guys! So, event is done. Natapos yung events around 11 in the evening. Sa dami ng kwentuhan, medyo napahaba dahil ang dami kong kakilala na nandoon sa event. Pero it's very intimate event. Actually, ulaan ko lang, mga 30 people lang yung mga nandoon, including BPI staff. So, sabihin natin mga 20 influencers tapos 10 yung mga taga-BPI. nakakatuwa lang minsan ma-reconnect with mga kasama natin sa industry. Yun na nga, I'm still in the Kalye. Napapansin nyo, nasa labasan pa ako. And the time is 1 AM na po. So I decided to make sundo si Hazel since around 11 natapos yung event. So sabi ko, 12 daw siya lalanding. So coming from dito sa Makati, ang lapit na lang ng airport. So sabi ko, sunduin ko na lang. Kahit na mapupuyat ako at meron kaming birthday shoot bukas. So, kaka-text lang niya at delay daw yung flight. Kaka-land lang daw nila. So, dapat 12 o'clock and it's 1 o'clock. Ay! Oh, okay lang. Meron kaming gagawin bukas. Okay lang naman ako mapuyat. Sana lang wala akong activity bukas. Currently, the time is 1. Lalabas siya mga 2. Nasa bahay kami mga 3. Oh my God. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 na oras na natulog ko. Anyways, ang sabi ng ate mo girl ay wawa naman you. Delayed flight namin. Kaka-landing lang. Okay. Hahatid na lang daw nila ako. Aba, dapat lang ihatid nyo ako. Kasi hindi ko na kayang mag-drive. At saka parang ayoko na mag-drive. Si Jun na lang mag-drive ngayon. So, nandito lang ako ngayon sa tapat ng NAIA Terminal 3. So, pag nakalabas na sila ng immigration, and then saka na lang ako pupunta doon since hindi kasi pwedeng masyadong matagal mag-park. Hello!
Hello! Hi, everyone! Ang sweet mo naman.
Ang sweet. Malaki bayad nito, Bip. Puyat ako.
Oh, si Jun na mag-drive.
Talagang si Jun na magdadrive kasi gustong-gusto ko nang matulog. Hinahanap ko na yung kama ko.
Monday morning blues. I open my eyes and I'm greeted by a cute little smile. The world is new with you by my side. Everything is beautiful Tuesday afternoon.
Hello! Wow, I'm so gorgeous! Diba? Agree naman kayo. Diba? Ang ganda ko ngayon. Yeah. It's going to be a birthday shoot, mare! Kaya dapat, bigyan nyo na sa akin ang araw na to. Diba? Parang nabawasan yung age ko ng mga 15 years. Diba? Mukha lang akong 36.
Yes!
Sorry for the noise. Meron po tayong kalaban sa kabilang studio. Ano po si Hazel, kaya po maingay. Ang Mami Heidi nyo, gustong umawra, kaya i-push natin to. So today, I have my bagong-bagong Osmo DJI. I think this is a Mother's Day gift, if not birthday gift from Hazel. Kagagaling lang po niya sa Japan, sinundo ko kagabi at ito po binigay sa akin. So, ayan na po. Excited. Sana naman hindi na ito mawala. Ano? So this time, hindi po creator combo. So nung basic lang, because I have all other accessories, hindi naman nawala yung accessories eh, yung mga iba pang attachment dun sa creator combo. Sayang talaga din yun na no, wala naman talaga nagbalik. Parang feeling ko itong shoot na to, may labanan. Mamaya, labanan ng mga photographer pala. Hindi labanan ng talents eh, labanan ng photographer. Okay, Osmo DJI. What's inside? Siyempre, wala naman tayong ibang i-expect, kundi ang camera itself. This one. So, these are all what's inside the box. Meron kaming 3 layout today. Ito yung first outfit. Pahiram nila sa akin tong black top na wala akong dala pala na pang black. Actually, I have 5 outfits. Pero, ang kailangan ko lang 3. This is the first one. The first one na hindi ito akin. Kanila pa. Oh, anong meron?
Yung tama mo, ganda niyan. Damit mo yan?
Yung baba lang, yung top hindi.
Ang ganda.
Ano ba? Ang ganda mo rin pala. Andito ako sa kabilang studio. Kumukuha po ako ng leak. Kasi ito po ay labanan.
Ano ba? Ano ka na nga?
Bye-bye. And this is my studio. Dito po pala tayo. Oh! Second layout. This is the dress. Remember this dress which I got in Vietnam last year na hindi ko pa nagagamit. This is the first time. So, very nice, diba? Yan po ang aking photographer. Siya po ang nagtuturo ng mga pose kahit na nababali na yung balakang ko.
We said instead
told you my life was beginning. The moment I saw you, I was winning. Already in love before you came in.
Medyo napa-change tayo ng look. Pabagets tayo ng pabagets.
Yeah.
Third and last layout, and then we're good to go. This is the look. Medyo pa-bold ng pa-bold ang look, pero pasimple ng pasimple ang outfit. Diba? Para may contrast.
Yan.
Anong pa, pero papamood-mood lighting dyan? Ano yan, ha?
How I fell hard every time I try to call you up. The line is always busy. When I see you on the street, I know I never wanna be a way to sweep you off the floor. Will you ever be in love with me? Share a piece of your emotion? Or will I stay here in the back and see?
Pizza party po.
Squander your devotion all the time.
Hi guys! So here we are at Gallery by Shell. So it's a birthday dinner arranged by another celebrant herself. Kasi kung hindi po kami kakain sa labas, wala akong nagluto sa bahay. Oo. There's the kitchen tour tayo for the opening and the bites ba yan? And welcome drinks.
Please Chef Ian to explain your welcome bites and welcome drinks.
Hi, good evening everyone. How are you?
Yeah, that's kalabasa flour. Very good.
Welcome to our studio lab. So this is our R&D kitchen where we develop the menus for Gallery by Chele. So there you have it, our tomato sinigang. So careful because it may pop in your mouth.
So we have our 10-course meal, fine dining, menu tasting. Ito yung mga tipong maliliit. So pag-alis mo dito, kasi Jollibee.
Hindi natin sure, tingnan natin.
And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. So give me your all. Stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me
Tutuwa na ako.
break it.
Calm on down, baby. The food, bring it here, bring it here.
Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Cucumber basil siya.
I got you wrapped around my
So para siyang kare-kare daw na may something. Kasi narinig yung explanation. Ang sarap. Still on bites.
Sarap pa ng kare-kare ng Pilipinas.
Parang siyang pinditong mantaw na merong,
Mantaw with barbecue buns.
pork barbecue buns na sort of.
Kaya dito kami napunta. Kasi sabi ko, anong gusto mong kainin sa birthday mo, Maki?
Wala, sabi ko.
Wala, kahit ano. Ayaw na niya mag-demand. Kasi nga, feeling ko naman, napipeel bad siya ng birthday ko din. So, ayaw na niya mag-decide.
Wala na ako talagang plano. Kasi ako guys, advance ang planning ko eh. Papaplanuhin ko yung birthday ko like at the very least a month ago.
At gano'n.
Ayoko ng mga paganta lang. So, wala na talaga akong plano. It's just an ordinary day for me. Kaya natanong niya ako, wala nga. Gusto mong steak? Chinese. Pilipino gusto mo?
Korean,
Gusto mo?
Japanese.
Wala nga.
Unang choice ko, steak. Ayaw niya ng steak. Kasi
Sa
usually pag steak,
root siya ng root ng root. Ayoko nga.
ayaw niya ng steak. Kaya dito kami napunta.
cream.
Start
It's still on the bag.
Yes, this is actually for last bites. This is the C.
last bite.
This is the C for the last. Oh, it's
Yes,
cold.
So we would like to end your bite with something refreshing to open up your palates for the first course.
Alam mo, it's a mix of flavor. May maasim, may maalat. So I ordered for purple haze. This is lemon, blue pea, and kaffir. It's under healthy non-alcoholic drink. Being umami nyo is a non-alcoholic can. For Mamang Isla Trinidad, strawberry preserve, fruit tea, blue pea, tapos may chai latte. Ang cute ng kulay yun, di ba? Para siyang baruga.
The first one is what we call the Cacao Project. It's actually our self-celeste to prove that cacao is not can only used for chocolate.
Guys, so this is the first meal of the 10-course meal. Guys, look at the lalagyan na. Lalagyan talaga ng cacao. Sabi ni Hazel, this is cacao ceviche, guys. Sabi niya, asan yung cacao? B, the lalagyanan is the cacao. Diba? Sarap.
Masarapan din ako.
I like it. It's fish, sabi nga niya, lapu-lapu na kinuha sa Palawan. Tapos merong corn, sweet corn.
Saan galing?
Kalata. Tapos merong coriander. Ang sarap. I like it. The second dish. Ang sarap. Guys, yung kanilang plate, super heavy. It's like marmol from Lund. It's giving the sea vibe kasi crab yung kinain.
Giving Serena.
Ang sarap pa. So far, wala ako naiiwan. Not because gutom ako. I mean, kasi nabubusog na ako kanina pa. Pero masarap siya kasi talaga.
For next dish, we will be having the octopus natin. It's actually inspired with 4 different regions. First in Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, also here in the Philippines. Ginger ikaw nga, that with marination with some local beer. I would say the brand of the San Miguel. That is, our satay sauce is combination of coriander seeds, peanuts. Actually, I'm still using that.
Wow.
So medyo...
This is 4 regions daw in one bowl. Ang matitikman mo. Kasi meron ditong Singaporean because of the laksa, Indonesian, Filipino, Japanese.
Our next dish is the pomfret, actually made of silver flatfish, or we call it pampana in Tagalog. And the white foam is actually made of sinantolan or santol fruit mixed with some gata or coconut milk. With some shrimp paste, also green chili. Local is sourced in Palawan. We carefully wrap it with some key leaves. And on the left side is combination of green papaya and celery puree. To add more texture.
This color green is green papaya and celery. Ayan. Okay.
This one is our local duck that we aged for almost 7 days, but tinato na din.
This is the 6th course and this is belly inasal. Well, inspired daw by Bacolod inasal pero in tuna form. I mean, in tuna. Yung meat init. Tuna, hindi siya chicken. This is chicken skin.
This one is our local duck that we aged for almost 7 days. Smoky Oscar. The brown one, the left side is the mole or traditional Mexican chocolate. And there's the 2 flavorful sauces. They're premium sauce.
Parang inisip ko kanina mga kakaparanggot na yung kakainin. Tapos sabi na gugutom na tayo. Pero guys, nakakabusog siya. Alam mo yung kahit parang kala mo lang konti. Pero since iba-iba, nabubusog ka.
Maki-repeat ang sabi ni Mami, mamaya daw nasa Jollibee Macdo. Ngayon,
Nasa kama.
nasa kama na.
So I really have rice. Tapos meron duck. So there's duck here. Rice.
Ay, di ba pa rin ito yung main course?
No, this one is actually the palate cleanser. It's actually made of pineapple pelt underneath. It's a combination of the landan and dill to make it more refreshing.
So this one guys is a palate cleanser just before the main course. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa kami nag-main course.
Grabe!
Inaantog na ako.
Hindi pa kami nag-main course, guys.
It does look like a meal. Now we are on our main course. A5 Wagyu.
Kailangan po ang ticket.
Good. Very good. Ay, ang sarap sa loob. Malamig. Para siyang wafer na may sorbet inside.
For almost 20 days.
Si Chef Shelly, mahilig sa kombucha.
Sales.
Hindi na ko napapansin.
At saka mahilig din siya sa kakawa.
Hindi na pa din siya kumakakaw. Ayun ang flowers.
Wow, so gorgeous. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng pulaklak. Thank you.
Hindi ko sure.
We're gonna eat the dessert. Ay, ang bet. Finally, we come to the end of the 10-course meal. This is the 10, guys.
We would like to thank you when you will be having the last dessert of what we call the tradition. It's actually inspiration with Filipino bibingka. But on top of that, there's Japanese inspiration cheesecake added with some queso de bola ganache for a touch of Filipino with some shredded cheese on top.
Ay, may aso kasi ay kaya. Ayan, lakas makasaya.
Ay, wow! May pa ganyan.
Dalawa silang birthday.
So, siya lang greeting sila. From the bottom of their hearts.
Yes, actually. This one is ubitoria. It's a kind of family French toast on top of that is custard with some burnt sugar to add it for sweetness.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you.
English ako. Ikaw din.
Wish upon a star.
3.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye. Thank you. Gusto ba malaman kung magkano ang bill na binayaran ng ating finance manager? Mga taginting na. Tchan-tcharan, tcharan. May bisita po ako. Tapos may dalawang magulo. Si Sandy at si Cheese. So here's my gift to Hazel. Sabi niya, anong gift mo? Sponge? Hindi. Oh, ito yung regalo ko pala sa'yo.
Ano yan? You know naman, I don't like... Ano kaya ito? Paper bag yan? Ay, cute! I like this! Hello, dito sa'yo. Ay, I'm so happy. Hello, gusto din to ni Nana. Sobrang cute. I'm so happy with this one. This is now my new favorite.
So, matin ako ng event sa Glorieta. Tapos umikot-ikot ako, nadaanan ko. Pumasok ako, mas muli ako ng candle. Tapos nakita ko yan. Sabi ko, ayan na regalo. Oh.
Very nice decision ang regalo ni Mami. Ang cute!
Parang si Chase na mali. Kala mo, sponge ang ano ko, gift